Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making crunchy kale and broccoli salad. Y'all, you are going to love this kale and broccoli salad. It's nice and crunchy from the veggies, it's got a little bit of sweetness from the dressing and dried cranberries, and then it's even more hearty and crunchy because of plenty of macadamia nuts. Let's make it. The first thing you're gonna do is prepare your kale. So grab that first stem and then just use your hands to pull it off of the main stem. You don't want to leave that main stem in this salad because it's a little bit too chewy. It's not going to break down the way the leaves will, but you can save it. Kale stems are actually great to saute up. You can use them like broccoli in a stir fry. Once you have all your kale torn into bite-sized pieces, add it to a large bowl along with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, garlic powder, and salt. Now get in there with clean hands and massage the kale until it turns a beautiful bright green. You can decide how much you want to massage the kale. If you like things more toothsome, you can just do a light massaging. If you want to break it down a bit more, if you keep going, it'll almost be like it was sauteed. What's great about this first step is that not only are you massaging that kale to soften it, but you're making the dressing for the salad all at the same time. So now when you add your broccoli, you're just going to toss it in that sweet vinaigrette and make sure you toss it to coat really well so that the broccoli leaves will soak in more of that dressing. Now add your carrot pieces, macadamia nuts, and dried cranberries, and toss to mix everything together really well. This is a great make-ahead salad too. If you do want to prepare this the night before, I recommend leaving out the macadamia nuts and tossing them in right before serving. They'll soften up because they're sitting in that dressing overnight, which isn't necessarily a problem, but if you want the salad at its crunchiest, keep those macadamia nuts for the last minute. Once everything is tossed together, you are ready to serve. This makes a great side salad along with some crispy, crunchy tofu or any plant-based protein that you like. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make this kale and broccoli salad. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!